welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be another haul video, and this is going to be largely Amazon haul, but yes, I will be having some things from here and there as well. But before I proceed with the haul, I have to tell you that most of the things in this haul were actually purchased by me before the lockdown period. So let's quickly get started. The first would be that ladder thing. So that's a ladder bookshelf, and they had it in 2 or 3 colors, and I went with this coffee brown variant because most of the furniture in this particular house along with the door colors and everything is of that color. So I got that, and it's really good and sturdy. It took me around 2 hours to build it, but if you're 2 people it might take lesser time, but it is very sturdy. It can take a lot of weight. It's just a little difficult building it, but you do not actually need additional tools. They give you everything in a package, and you just have to open it, assemble it, and just kind of have it as a piece, which is also useful because you have shelves, and it also really looks good. So this I purchased for around 3,999. If you're looking for something like that shelf, you can definitely go ahead and get that because it's really sturdy. For 4,000 rupees, I think it's a really good piece. You also get white in that, so if you like the color white, you can go for that as well. So would highly recommend. The next product that I want to talk about is a Mamaearth product. So of late I've become such a hair care person. Like, I'm always nourishing my hair, I'm always oiling my hair, I'm always trying to test new products, something that would work for me. The first would be this Mamaearth Argan shampoo. I have to tell you about Mamaearth is that it is actually a cruelty-free brand. The products of Mamaearth do not have chemicals. These are actually PETA certified, so that is something I really appreciate. Apart from that, it is a very environment friendly brand because it is plastic positive. It kind of recycle more plastic than they use in their products. So in this Argan range, I have a shampoo, I have a conditioner, and I also have a hair mask. Let me quickly talk about the shampoo. So this one is paraben free, SLS free. This is dermatologically tested. This is for all the hair types as well, and the bottle that you get is actually a plastic bottle with a pump, and it is 250 ml, so the quantity is sufficient and it is very helpful with the pump and everything. Apart from all of that, what it actually does is it controls and manages your split ends in a really effective way. Apart from that, definitely it repairs the damages of your hair. I have a lot of hair damage. Like, if you look at my hair, it has a lot of split ends. It's kind of broken in places because of the heat and stuff, but then this is quite nourishing in that aspect. Also, it kind of nurtures it. So even if you have chemically treated hair or colored hair, it works pretty well on every kind of hair. So that way I really like this shampoo a lot. I've been using it from the past, I think I would say over 2 weeks now, and I really like the result. And you guys know that I actually wash my hair every single day. So a shampoo like this with no chemical and ingredients of high quality, it definitely has made a bit of difference in my hair. So I definitely use the conditioner, which is from the same range, Argan conditioner. I really like using conditioners, and I just use a lot of conditioner. This one also kind of complements the effectiveness of this one. I think I would definitely recommend buying both of these together. Also, this one also kind of tames your frizziness of the hair, which I have in plenty. So every time I want to make my hair look really glossy and shiny, and I can run my fingers like nobody's business in my hair, and I want to feel all happy, I love to use this conditioner. It's very nourishing and moisturizing, and of course it deals with the split ends as well. And I've noticed that if you have really dry hair, this does a good job. So I love this conditioner a lot. Both of these are 250 ml bottles, and both of these are priced at rupees 349. Now moving on to the hair mask, let me quickly tell you that hair mask is something that I discovered like not really long time back, but I feel that hair mask makes so much of a difference, and you don't have to use it every single day. You have to use it once or twice a week. If your hair is really damaged, like chemically treated, if you color your hair often, or if you like heat style it often, I think a hair mask once a week or maximum twice a week does so much repair to the hair that you won't even believe. I just like to treat my hair with this one. This has argan, it has avocado oil, and it has milk protein. It makes your hair stronger, but I think it also kind of way more nourishing and nurturing than your regular conditioner. And of course it is paraben free, silicone free, it does not have chemicals, it does not have SLS, and it has a lot of bioactives in it, so that does all the magic, I feel like. And it also says over here that it repairs dry and damaged hair, suitable for colored and treated hair, and of course curly hair as well, you know. So curly hair is sometimes very difficult to manage and tame. This one does a really good job with curly hair as well. So what I like to do is twice a week I just kind of, you know, spray my hair with some water and then just apply like a generous amount of it on my hair, you know, lengthwise, and then leave it for, like, the packaging says 15 to 20 minutes, but I just like to give it its own sweet time, leave it for like maybe half an hour to 1 hour, and then after that I'll just rinse it off. Then I use this shampoo because this is like very mild and very gentle. It just gives that glossiness and that shyness to your hair. Mamaearth products are really available everywhere, Amazon, Nykaa, everywhere, even on their own website, which is mamaearth.in. So if you're using their website to purchase, which is www.mamaearth.in, you can use my coupon code. That's going to give you 20% off on your purchase. I think that's a magnificent deal. And if you're looking to buy something to nourish your hair and something that takes care of your hair, make sure that you use the coupon code if you are buying on mamaearth.in. However, you can definitely purchase it from wherever you want to, where you get the best deal. So that would be all about the hair products, and I would definitely recommend you going for this particular range. Now moving on to other stuff that I picked up from Amazon would be these bed sheets. Now if you've already used Amazon Basics ka bed sheets, I think you would know that, you know, their quality is really amazing, and they give you this complete set and stuff. So all their bed sheets actually come in these kind of boxes. Now I have so many colors of this one. The one that I have gone for is this one. This is the king size bed sheet, and I got this off-white one. So this is, I think, a microfiber bed sheet. Yes, it is microfiber bed sheet. It comes with really 2 long pillow covers. It comes with a fitted bed sheet, and then it also comes with a the top bed sheet, the top sheet for the duvet. So because this is microfiber, and if you do not have air conditioning in the house, probably this is not really meant for summers, but during winters it's a really good sheet to go for. It has elasticated rim, you know, for the fitted bed sheet, so it's so easy to actually lay the sheet. You just have to lay the sheet and just tuck the corners, and that's about it. So it's very handy that way. I would definitely recommend going for the Amazon Basics ka bed sheets. Microfiber not so much during the summers, but if you can go for the cotton ones and if you can afford it, I think they make amazing bedding sets. Definitely check those out. I also wanted to try out their towels and stuff, so I went for this particular set. I don't know why, as opposed to whites, I like darker color towels basically. So I went for this really beautiful maroon towels, and it came in a set, and it has 2 you know, really large bathing towels. Then it comes with 2 face towels and 2 hand towels. So the 1 hand towel and 1 face towel is actually in use, and this is the hand towel. It's very soft. I have even washed it. The color does not bleed at all, and it remains soft like this. And then the face towel is like this. So I simply love the color. They also have black color towels. They have all the colors available, so you can go for whichever you want to. But I think for $1,099 the quality is really nice, and the bathing towel is like really long, so it's a good dimension. I think it's pretty good. So I definitely would recommend these towels. I mean, I simply am very happy with the quality of the Amazon Basic towels and their bed sheets. I would definitely suggest you guys, especially also their duvet covers, their comforters. They're amazing and to die for. So now moving on to some other stuff that I got from Amazon, is something I really wanted to have, is a personal kind of weighing scale. So I went for this one. The one that I went for is by Health Sense, and I did a lot of research on this one because there are tons and loads of weighing scale personal ones that are available. Not only this one had a lot of good reviews on it with maximum stars and stuff, but it was also kind of not very expensive. I think I paid around $1,200. I don't exactly remember the price of this one, but this is kind of really good. If you're looking for one, go for this one. This is electronic one, and it looks like this. So you have to kind of use 2 batteries in it, which is like the A4 or the A3 batteries over here, 2 batteries over here, and this is what it looks like. So it has a digital screen over here. You have to stand over here and keep your chin parallel to the floor, and it gives you kind of very accurate measure. So for that I really like it, and I've been using it from the past, I think I would say 1.5 months, and I have seen that level of motivation. Whenever I see my weight increasing, I just try to eat healthy, and I try to take care of myself. I try to walk a little bit. It really helps to keep your health in track. I think that would be the first step towards taking care of your health by yourself, your own physical measuring scale or weighing scale. The next thing are two stationery products that I got. So I am obsessed with folders, and I like some good folders. It just keeps me motivated in doing some more studies and stuff. I went for this one. Now they had a lot of prints in this one. They had a lot of floral ones. This folder is priced at rupees 399, and the material on top is kind of really good. It is not actually sheet, but I feel it's a plasticky material, so it's really good there. This is what it looks like from the inside, very bright and happy. This is yellow, and it also has a kind of a pocket over here to put in your sheets and stuff. Apart from that, I got these loose sheets, which are like colored sheets from Amazon as well, and these are like really good when I'm trying to make notes. I just like to keep my notes and stuff a little bit more colorful. I don't use a lot of colored pens and stuff, but then yes, sometimes when you get motivated by looking at a really beautiful folder or some colorful sheets, and if by that way you can study a couple of hours more, I think there's no harm in kind of splurging a little bit in that. So I like to make notes that I'm going to keep for the rest of my life with me. So I really love this folder a lot, and it is like this thick, so it can hold a lot of sheets, I feel like. And it has a binder thing over here, so you just have to open it and you have to put in the sheets and just snap it back. That's about it. And this is what it looks like. I'm very, very happy with this one, and I might purchase a couple of more in these. Next thing that I really like is, as a student, if you've not, then try using flashcards. I think flashcards really helps you to learn things better, and I know there are a lot of digital flashcards and apps available on the phone. You can definitely use those. If you're one of those people who are like really digital and stuff, I'm a nerd and I like things that are paper. I like to touch and feel, and it's just like that. Okay, so I went for this one. This is Tehran Created For You. These are flashcards. These are 3x5 when it comes to dimension, and also these are like ruled ones, and this is 200 GSM, like the density of the paper, I'm not really sure. But then yes, I like the ruled ones better. Maybe I think it's just your personal preference, but I will also be getting the plain ones. It also comes with these kind of attachment things. So once you're done writing in your flashcard, and you have a couple of those and you're scared of losing them, you can just simply use these kind of rings and put in your flashcard like so, and just lock it like a keychain and stuff, and you can have it on the go. And you can just have a bunch of your flashcards over here, and you can review whatever you have written and all of that. I think I've put just one over here, but of course you can put plenty of flashcards over here, and you can have it on the go. So I think for a student, and especially if you have difficulty in memorizing, you can keep all your smaller points, smaller notes and over here, and have your notes on the go. So that is something I find very, very, very useful, very handy. Next thing, okay, I got a pack of coffee, guys. So I'm a coffee person, I'm a coffee addict basically, and I love trying out new coffee. The coffee that I've been using for the longest time was the Brew Gold one. It's really yummy and creamy. I have used Nescafe for years, I've used Sunrise for years. There's so many other coffees that I've tried a lot. Now one thing that I was trying was this coffee. This is Continental one. Now they come in different colors. There's a green one, there's this red one, there's also a yellow one. The green one is called as Continental Extra, and that green one is by far the best, I would say. I went with this Continental one. This is called as Special. This is called as Special 100% pure coffee, and they always come in this offer where you buy one and you get one. This is MRP is $4.95, but then you always get them on discount. With this one, I feel okay, this is slightly bitter. Sometimes I feel it is slightly flat, even though it is bitter and it is like proper coffee. The green one I feel is better when it comes to the taste comparison part of it. It is much more like lively, I would say. I don't know how to describe coffee. This is a little bit more flat and toned down, but that one is much more like, you know, richer, I would say, much more creamier. If you've used Continental coffee, let me know how the yellow one is like, because I'm really excited to try that one out. But then this is the, like, it comes in this kind of a cardboard box and in a packaging like this. So this is 200 grams. One packet is already in use, so it's a lot of coffee for that price. So it is very cost effective as well that way, if you get the buy one get one free offer. And you always have this offer, but for some reason I don't know why. If you've used this coffee, which is the one that you like, mine is definitely the green one for sure. So that is that there. So I got all these body sprays from Armaf. Now that we are into summers, we need a lot of body sprays and perfumes and all those kind of fun stuff. So I got all these perfumes to review it for you guys. If you would like to see a review, let me know in the comment section below. If you want to, then I'll definitely review. I got this Armaf Tag Her for Women fragrance body mist. This is citrusy. I would definitely kind of review it, because if I try to review it, the video is going to be very, very long. The next one is the Tres Jour. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a French name. I'm pretty sure this is again for women. This is really, really good fragrance. It's very like summery and fresh and floral and a day wear perfume, no body spray. These do not actually last that long, but I feel like, you know, for the quantity and the price point, I do not mind the reapplication of these. These are plastic bottles and is, I think, 200 ml, 250 ml, and I think each one is priced at around 399 to 499 rupees. So it's not very, you know, expensive as well. And it kind of lasts more on the clothes than on the body, but then the fragrances are amazing. I mean, I like all the fragrances so far. One that I really like is this one. This is High Street, and this one also smells good. Yeah, this smells really good. Then the next one that I have is Vanity Femme. Now this one had so many good reviews, I can't even begin to tell you that the reviews were so amazing and smells so fresh and feminine. Oh my god, it sprayed it on my mouth. It smells really, really, really good. And the one which is my favorite and my most favorite would be Club de Nuit for women. And this one is, if you can see, I've used it like so much. It is so amazing. It smells amazing and it smells great. It smells great, and it is so good for daytime. It is so good for daytime. I just cannot stop myself. So this one is amazing. I would definitely be purchasing the perfume for this one, and perhaps for the Vanity Femme as well. So the cap is not really very sturdy on these. As you can see that I have already lost 2 caps. It must be somewhere here, but these are like really loose caps, so I can't really do anything about that. So if you want me to do a proper review, I'll do that as well for you. But apart from that, you know, all that I have to say is that the fragrances are really, really nice, and I think I will be trying more from Armaf. So thank you so much to all you lovely people who actually recommended me to go ahead and try Armaf perfumes, their fragrances and all of that. And let me know which is your favorite amongst these. If you have a recommendation, let me know that as well. I think that's going to come in really, really handy. So I purchased these 5, and all of these I picked from Amazon. So even though I got all of these before lockdown, during this time, I'm not really sure if you would get all of these things, leaving the Mamaearth conditioner and shampoo, because these are essential items and I think you can still get hold of these. But for the rest of the items, I would definitely be giving the link in the description box below, but you can definitely, you know, avail them or have them at your doorstep depending on which zone or you are, green, orange. I'm in the red zone currently, so there are no deliveries happening here right now. But then I think post lockdown, you can definitely, you know, come back to this video, check the description box, you know, and click on the link, and you can definitely make a purchase of it. So that's everything from Amazon. I have to show you some little things that I got from Zaful. Now this is a video that I've been meaning to do since a long time, but I just couldn't bring myself to kind of show you these. The first thing that I got are these sticky bras, you know. So these are, I am a heavy busted woman with 36C as my size, and this is a sticky bra. It has these side flaps as well, so it kind of gives you a lot of support. It's a sticky bra. One of you wanted me to review it, but I think, you know, if you're really heavy busted, it doesn't give you that big of a support from underneath, I feel like. And how you actually use it, you just remove this plastic covering and you have a I think a sticky gum over here. You just stick it on your boobs and you're good to go. So yeah, it's really good, and it was really affordable. I think this was only for 100 or 200 rupees, not that expensive, and you can get, I think, a lot of uses out of it. So then I think I did show you a belt that I got from Zaful. This is the one that I got. It has all rhinestones. It is beautiful. It was in my favorites as well, in one of my favorites. I don't remember which one, but it's beautiful. It is gold with rhinestones all over. It's so shiny and dangly, and especially if you're wearing anything Indian or a maxi dress, you can just, you know, have it on your waist, and it just instantly kind of gives a party look to your attire. So it's a very beautiful one. Since I loved it so much, I went for a silver color one as well, and it looks amazing. This is the silver one, and it is beautiful. So silver and black is amazing. It's silver and gold is amazing. It goes with everything. So I got these two bells. I don't remember the price of this one. I don't even remember if these are still available. I'll try and find the link of these two, but I think these are so stunning. It is really stunning bells, and these are metallic. So guys, that was everything that I got before lockdown. I hope you've liked the video. Let me know which is your favorite item in this particular video. If you've liked this video, please make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more such fun haul videos and many more videos. And of course, you can hit that bell notification as well if you do not want to miss out on my future videos. So thank you so much once again for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Keep happy, keep healthy, keep smiling always, and I love you all so much. Bye guys.